Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox unapproved third-party applications or extensions detected. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Now, a window will open up. Simply locate Roblox inside this list and select it. After that, click on this End Task button at the top right corner and close all of its background activity. Then close the Task Manager and try restarting your PC or laptop. After restarting, check if the problem is solved. If it isn't, open the search menu from the bottom and search for Add or Remove Programs inside it. Now, Settings will open up. Here, locate Roblox by either looking for it manually or by using the search bar. Once you find it, uninstall it and then open a preferred browser. Inside it, search for roblox.com and then open any game. Then click on the play button and download the Roblox software by using this download button. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox unapproved third-party applications or extensions detected. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.